Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have Vauxhall Crossland. Vauxhall Crossland 70 reg, front parking sensors, diamond cut alloy wheels, remote central locking, one owner, rear parking sensors, privacy glass in the rear, instruction manuals still in the original cellophane, really clean seats, half leather seats, side airbags, passenger airbag here as you can see, automatic, locking wheel nut key here, Isofix rear seats, very clean, very clean. Electric rear windows as well. Set of overmats which obviously we're just going to leave in the vehicle. There. This has a second floor, basically you can lift this floor up, put this into a different height if you wish, this cover here. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat. The vehicle's done 12,852 miles. Two USBs here, there. This is your key, flip key. Dual climate here, you have a power outlet here you can use obviously if you wish, automatic. When you're all the way back here, this is manual, automatic. Here you have your stop start, parking sensors, lock and unlock, kiddie locks, traction control, tyre inflation warning, and your lane departure warning on and off there if you wish. Parking sensors here, as you can see when you put it in reverse. Audio, DAB radio, navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. This is your vehicle settings here, touchscreen, different settings there. Lock, unlock the doors. Cruise control, speed limiter here. Volume button here. Auto wipers. There's auto lights as well, as you can see there. Auto lights. Nice feature. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.